Hey, this is Brian Anderson here. I want to do a quick testimonial video for my friend Daven. I ran Daven's webinar about a month, maybe 2 months ago, and I honestly resisted running it. I typically work in the local space, and Daven outsourcing webinar, I wasn't 100% sure that it fit my list. It was an amazing call, and it blew me away because I admittedly did not watch the warm-up video that he sent me, but the service between Daven, Liz, and the entire 123 team was amazing. But the feedback from my list, both from the people that bought and the people that didn't buy, was exceptional. And not to mention over, I think it was $105, $110 an attendee on the webinar, made for a very lucrative call while at the same time delivering immense value to my customers. So Daven, thank you. Liz, for all your help, thank you. I appreciate you guys.
Hey, what's up there? It's Keith Yackey, and all I gotta say is I had the most amazing time with Daven Michaels the other day. If you're ever looking to JV with this guy and do a webinar with him, I gotta tell you, it's 100% first class, top notch. We went on there, we had hundreds of people on there. The guy just crushes, pretty much walks on water as far as I'm concerned. And if you're considering doing that, I would highly, highly recommend it.
Hey there, Daven Michaels, New York Times best-selling author, 30-year business veteran, and founder of 123 Employ, the premier outsourcing centers in the Philippines. And if you've been a partner of ours for a while, last year you heard me proclaim to the masses, I hate launches. And if you're in the JV biz, I know you can relate. You send out a ton of emails, you beat up your list, and it's a vicious cycle. So last year, I started thinking about the launch model. In November of last year, we set out to do 200 webinars in 30 days. And you know what? I failed. But we did manage to do 140 webinars in 30 days and generate $1.3 million in revenue for us and for you, our partner. Now, I checked the Guinness Book of World Records to see if I was in there for the most amount of webinars done in a month. And although I didn't find my name, we did give away over $500,000 in cash and prizes. I even gave Jay Boyer my Porsche.
Thanks for the Porsche, Daven.
Now, although we did 140 webinars in 30 days, I only showed up to 2 of them. How cool is that? As you can imagine, to do 140 live webinars in 30 days, I had to create a super high level of automation and technology to make it all work. And now, my partner Chad Nicely and I are changing history once again with our new program, Lead Conversion Squared. The very first experiential online workshop event series and celebration. We intend to change the game, and now we're going to 10x those numbers. In 2016, we changed the marketing game by creating our new webinar launch model, and now I'm teaming up with Chad, who is disrupting the webinar process in 2020 with his new live experiential workshop process. He has a webinar process that's unlike anything anyone has ever seen before. We're now hitting up to 32% conversions, and we topped off our internal at $670 per attendee. We have never, ever seen these kind of numbers. The program includes the training, a live event where our new members will learn a ton of ways to drive traffic to their new business. Don't worry, if they can't attend live, they can watch the event on the live stream. And if they miss the live stream, they can watch the videos. The software that drives their entire new business, their own customized website, and a pre-trained lead-generating virtual assistant to get them daily customers. So you may be wondering what we're giving away this year. No, it's not my i8. It's something even better! This year, we're giving away even more prizes. No, I'm not giving away my private jet. This year, we're giving away the biggest JV prize ever, up to $1 million. Here's how it works. We have a progressive first place prize equal to 5% of our entire revenue from the launch. This will be split between our first, second, and third place winners. Remember, our numbers will be verifiable on ClickBank and will be displaying our real-time leaderboard on our JV page. Our goal is to break ClickBank's single-day record of 3.5 million, and if we do, you do get my i8. And all partners that get 100 people on the first webinar will receive $1,000 instantly via PayPal before the webinar even ends. And of course, we're re-sipping for those partners. 100 runner-ups will receive an Akaso EK7000 4K Wi-Fi Sports Action Ultra HD waterproof DV camcorder. There's tons of cash and prizes everybody can win. This year we're going higher, flying further, giving away more cash and prizes than ever before. And all you have to do to get started is get registered, grab your hop links, pre-program all the emails, and collect your check from ClickBank and your prizes from Chad and I up to $1 million.
Well, that's a wrap. Hopefully you've enjoyed our whole behind-the-scenes tour of what we have going on here. As you can see, we mean business, and we want to make sure that you're in a position to make a lot of money with this launch. So this drink here, well, this is to you, to a successful launch and all of us making a lot of money. Cheers.
Even though it's slowly, I can see your plan unfolding open in front of me. My walk is far from over, strolling, holding on to pieces, the reasons I feel them chosen, rendered incomplete, a trophy far from worthy.